What are you going to expect when buying a home? Hi there, so you're thinking of buying a home and you don't know where to start?
Hi, this is Andrea Larson with eXp Realty.
Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of your largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry for over 20 years and I've assisted hundreds of buyers over the years. Here's how I can and I will help you. First, we will make sure you are qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what type of loans you can qualify for and what the full payment will be, including the payment, the interest, the taxes, and the insurance. Once we know you're qualified, we'll go house hunting and we'll make sure that you're fully aware of the neighborhoods, the schools, and anything that could possibly be problematic in the area or the home that could affect the value later where you are looking. Then, I will help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we will open up the escrow. We're going to give them your initial deposit and start scheduling the inspections, and then I will order the appraisal. I am diligent about making sure that I don't miss any contractual deadlines so that I keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary to or not to ask from the seller. We will be in constant communication with all the parties in the transaction to ensure that your best interest is covered and that we can close on time. There are so many moving parts to the transaction. I could be here for hours telling you about it. So better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor, walking you through every step and ensuring you make the right decisions all the way until you get the keys to your new home, even becoming your lifelong friend. And don't forget, the seller usually pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize my services, but I can guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional who is on your side, on your team, and in your corner. Give me a call and let's see how we can get you into your new home. Make it a great home buying and selling day. I love where I live and I want you to love where you live too, in this beautiful sunny state of Arizona.